Top of the morning, guys. We're out again with a vlog here. We are go. Let me say we are going a hidden gem in a Portland. Don't know. Backpack. You know? Yes, sir. We are get it. We are get it. We are go out there. We are go out there. Gone. Oh, dear, pubs. That is it, man. Yeah, see there. 2 bus load, you know that them say, no? Alright.
Everybody around us, sir. Everybody up the hill.
My time again, Fambo.
Yeah, man.
That time again, you know. See it there? Riverside, cookout. That's the dog him said, oh. Where's that twin man? Goal! That time again, no people. One bad artist, one Pablo. You hear that?
Jamaica best now.
Yes, bad chef there here, you know. Food ready up, you know. Bad chef, what you say up on the menu, you know? John Moore stars. See that? Yeah, man. Jesus Christ. See that? One sentence, man. You know rice active already. Yeah. Gone, we gone, you know. That time of day, you know? Yes, sir. Riverside again, you know. Bad boss, you know. River God. River Mama. Talk to them, no man. What you say? What you mean what you gonna say? What you mean what you gonna say? See general over here, so when you see them man, you know what time it is. Ship off a run from the riverside all times, every day. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Salsa God. Boy. Boy. Dog, work overtime. Yeah guys, end of the vlog for the day. Bad river, man, I lie. But nice. See me? See my eye them look? Swim till me tired. Tired. But it was a good experience. Portland do it again. We'll go Clarendon Sunday. So you know that I'll go. Stay tuned for the vlog there.